In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Outlook as your default email app. This quick walkthrough covers the most common setup so that whenever you click an email link on the web or share a file by email, Outlook opens automatically. First, open Settings on your Windows device. You can click the Start button and choose the gear icon, or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Once Settings is open, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where Windows keeps controls for installed apps, optional features, and most importantly for us, default apps. Inside Apps, select Default Apps. This page lets you tell Windows which programs should handle things like web browsing, maps, music, and of course email. You'll see categories organized by function, and we'll focus on the email section. Scroll down to find email. To the right, you'll see the app that's currently set as the default. It might say Mail, Gmail, another email client, or something similar. Click that current app to open a small list of compatible programs installed on your device. From the list, choose Outlook. You might see it listed as Microsoft Outlook or simply Outlook. Pick the one you use for your work or personal mailbox. The moment you select it, Windows saves your choice. There's no extra confirmation required. That's it. Outlook is now your default email app. From now on, when you click an email address on a website, Windows will launch Outlook and start a new message for you. If you use the Share menu in apps like Photos or Word, Windows will also hand those tasks off to Outlook by default. This small change helps keep things consistent, especially if you rely on Outlook's features like focused inbox, calendar integration, and enterprise security. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If Outlook doesn't appear in the list, it usually means it isn't installed on this device or it needs an update. Make sure the version you use is available on the system you're setting up. Also, if you see more than one Outlook option, select the one you regularly open so your experience stays seamless. To recap in plain terms, open Settings, go to Apps, choose Default Apps, find Email, click the current app, and select Outlook. You're all set.